Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is a component for a automobile here, but let me show you what we've got. In here, it's a chromed kind of silver piece here. I think it's something for a transmission or something like that, but you have this piece here. There we go. And then we have these springs, which are nice solid silver springs. And then we're given a bunch of different components here of the bracket. So we have this bracket there, and they're all nice and silver. They seem really well made, super durable, thick. You can see they got some thickness to them. So we have this one, and it comes with all the screws you would need in there as well. And it looks like they're going to have a little hex bit tip on them as well. And so you've got a cotter pin and a bunch of other pins. We have this shape one here, the square one. We have this square one with the little opening. Different square one here with a little notch out the side, and this bracket here. So this one here has a little pin on the side. So super cool. So if you need this particular component for your car, this will come in handy. Very good. Thumbs up.